and then now it's recording. And then I sit down and I'm like, hi bitches. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hi everybody, it's your boy Kenny. So, I wanted to make a YouTube video because nobody requested it, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm a very big cheesecake fanatic. If you didn't know, you probably don't know me. Hi, my name's Kenny. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make a bomb-ass-tastic, delicious, fruity-tooty, motherfucking cheesecake. So, I love dessert, but I suck at baking a lot. So it might not turn out super great, and I don't have a mixer because my mixer broke. I only used it one time. Fun fact, had to throw it away. So I'll be mixing with my hands, which is really great. So I'll just take you guys through the ingredients so you guys know what you'll need to make a cheesecake. So you'll first need to bake the crust. So what you'll need are some graham crackers. I personally like honey made because it gives it like a honey taste, and you want like a honey taste for your cracker crust. You don't want no like dry ass cracker crust. Then you'll want to like get, it says confectioner's sugar. You can just use white sugar. That's fine. So we'll use some soft butter, good enough, and some salt. I don't have salt. Do you have salt now? But never mind. We have salt, girls. It's fine. Then you'll want to do the filling. So for the filling, you'll need lots of cream cheese. Technically, you only need 2, but I'm kind of a fat ass, so I got 4. The more the better. You'll want to have eggs, vanilla extract, and I'm going a little bit crazy with this video. I'm gonna experiment and I'm gonna put Hershey's. Yup, I'm putting Hershey's before I put the filling. It's gonna be on the bottom. It's gonna be a sandwich, kind of like a s'more, but kind of ghetto. With some syrup on top, caramel syrup. And you'll want something to put all of this in. You'll want one of these. This one's cool because like, whoa. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make it now. And cut. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I was just reading the calories for the graham crackers. Did you know 1 serving is 130 calories? I don't really care. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crush some graham crackers. So, accordingly, it says you need 1.5 cups of graham crackers. I'm Hispanic and I don't have any measuring cups, so I'm going by, not mouth, going by ears. No, sorry, I'm going by eyes. So yeah, before you do that though, make sure you set your oven to 150 degrees so it can preheat, so that way when we do the crust we can just pop that shit right in there. So I guess 1 peck is 1 cup, I guess. Let's go with that. Maybe we'll do 2 just in case. We'll do 2. So we'll do 2 packs. Make sure you wash your hands because nobody needs nasty shit in cheesecake. Yeah. But I already washed my hands, so I'm a clean boy. So, we're gonna take our graham crackers and we're just gonna try to crush it. Because I don't have a mixer, like I said, and I don't have anything to crush it. So we're just kind of winging it. Kind of like prom night. So, next you're gonna want to do, 1/3 cup of butter. Like I said, I don't have a measuring spoon, so we'll call this 1/3. Then, we're gonna want to melt that in the microwave. Put a napkin over it so your microwave doesn't look like bad stuff. I'm trying not to cuss. Cussing's bad, kids. So, put this in the microwave, let it melt. Next, we're gonna add 3/4 white sugar. I think that's good enough. And then 1/8 tablespoon of salt. That's good. And hopefully you melted that butter that you put in the microwave as like I told you instructed, right? Yes, Kenny, yes we did. Good. And then you just pour it in there. It's really hot, so don't like put your hand in there immediately unless you like that shit and that's what you're into. I probably use like a spoon or something. I have this fancy like American utensil that some people use for mixing. We're gonna use this today. I don't have a measuring cup, but I do have this at least. Thank God. And now that you got that paste, plop it on there, spread it out. Insert inappropriate joke here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you just want to like put it on there, make it as flat as you can. Make sure you don't leave any gaps. Oh, this is useful. And then just put it out to the edge, like this. See, this is what you don't want. You don't want this to be on there. We're covering that up. And when you do your crust, I like to push it up like that, so that way there's like a barrier for the cheesecake to sit on. And when you cut it, it's not gonna fall apart either. Kind of smooth it out like that. And then take a timer, or if you're hip, use your iPhone and do 10 minutes in the microwave. God, that's hot. Whew. And now we're gonna let it cool for 10 minutes. Okay. And then the last ingredient that we're gonna need are 2 eggs and the cream cheese. In there. Not here, there. I probably shouldn't do it at the same time. I got too excited. 1, 2. That's how many accidents I've been in. Move. Okay, so we're gonna line the crust before we put the cream cheese with some Hershey's. That way you got a delicious bottom. I cracked myself up. Sorry if you didn't get that one. Maybe next time. And now that you got it, you're gonna want to put it in the, not microwave, in the oven for 30 minutes. I don't know why I thought about that. when you're feeling down and you're waiting 30 minutes for your cheesecake to bake, maybe you'll take some time to reflect on your life and maybe have some Hershey's. Hershey's would be better with almonds though. That was a plus right there. So instead of 30 minutes, I actually ended up doing 40 minutes. I wanted my cheesecake to be a little bit more consistent and fluffy, as you can see. So the last thing you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna put a top layer on top of the cheesecake that's gonna make it fantastic. So all you're gonna do for this one egg, right? Plop that shit in there. And then we're gonna add a couple spoonfuls of sour cream. Yum. And then we're gonna add not a lot of sugar, so probably 1/3 of a cup of sugar is what we're gonna add. And 1/8 tablespoon of vanilla. You're gonna want to whisk it really good. It'll start changing the texture actually to like a really smooth, it's really smooth texture. It should look somewhere around like this. It's kind of like pancake batter. And all you need to do is pour it on there. It'll basically be like a very nice glaze. We're only gonna put this in the oven for 10 minutes. We don't really need a lot of time to bake this. Kind of turned off the oven. Just spread it around. As you can see, I'm just spreading around to the edges. So, this is the end product. Super duper cheesecake. So we're just gonna let it cool off. After it's cooled off, you're gonna probably scrape the sides so that we can actually pop it out. And like I said, if you wanna do super duper really fucking fancy, caramel is the best way to go. You could always do, I guess, strawberry syrup or strawberries. Like, strawberries are so delicious. I don't know why I didn't buy strawberries. But otherwise, this is the cheesecake. Well, there you go, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I kind of did. You know, it's me. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. I'll leave the ingredients and the recipe down below in the descriptions or something like that. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye. Let's go with that. Mama bear.
No, it's not gonna help. It hurts from my feet. It's not gonna help me.